This is a black nylon set of tongs. I was sent these for review for free. If you wanted to purchase them, the MSRP is $9, but I've seen them with a 30% off coupon, so it seems like about $6 or $7 is what you pay for them. All right, so we have a set of tongs here. They have an integrated little spring that's kind of a plasticky spring mechanism there. This guy here says they are nylon 66, and they have a heat resistance temperature of 400 Fahrenheit, 210 centigrade. So, you can use these in hot pans. You should not leave them in the hot pans. They do have this nice little feature here where you can set them up, and basically the only thing that touches are these 2 points and that point there. So unless they're dripping, you can keep things off your counter that way. So they feel pretty good. They have a good amount of spring force, at least when they're new. It says made in Japan here. They do not feel like they would scrape nonstick pans, so I believe they're perfectly safe for use in nonstick pans. So it seems like a pretty nice set of kitchen tongs. Alright, this guy's gone through the dishwasher once. I've done some noodles with it, and what I really got it for was to dig into my waffle maker to pull the waffles out and carry them around to the toaster oven to keep warm. And I wanted the nylon here because it will not scrape the non-stick coating on the waffle iron. And so they're doing a real good job for that. So I've been pretty happy with these guys.